Are you a fan of delicious, crispy fried foods, but dread the hassle and mess of traditional frying methods? This Hamilton Beach 35032 professional style electric deep fryer might just be the solution you've been looking for. With its family size capacity, powerful heating element, and user friendly design, this deep fryer promises to make frying at home easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Let's dive into an in depth review of this remarkable kitchen appliance and see why it stands out in the market. Upon unboxing the Hamilton Beach 35032 deep fryer, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek stainless steel exterior. The fryer comes with a chrome-plated frying basket that has a generous 3-liter, 12-cup oil capacity, perfect for family-sized meals. The package also includes a detachable magnetic cord, an enamel-coated oil tank, and a lid with a viewing window, all designed for convenient safety. The compact design ensures it fits comfortably on your kitchen counter, and the high-quality materials give it a durable and premium feel. The included instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, making assembly a breeze. The Hamilton Beach 35032 deep fryer is constructed with a durable stainless steel exterior that not only looks great, but is also easy to clean. The cool touch handles on the basket and fryer ensure safe handling, even when the fryer is hot. The lid with a viewing window allows you to monitor the cooking process without opening the fryer, preventing oil splatters and maintaining a consistent temperature. The magnetic cord is a thoughtful safety feature designed to detach easily if accidentally pulled, preventing the fryer from tipping over. This is especially important in busy kitchens or homes with children. Key features: the 3-liter, 12-cup oil capacity allows you to fry up to 8 cups of food at once, making it ideal for family dinners or gatherings. Whether you're making crispy chicken, golden fries, or delicious onion rings, this fryer can handle large batches with ease. The 1500-watt immersed heating element heats the oil quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. This powerful heating element also recovers oil temperature rapidly, allowing you to fry multiple batches without long waiting times. The frying basket features a hook for easy, mess-free draining. After frying, simply hook the basket over the oil tank to let excess oil drip off before serving. The lid covers the hot oil and food during cooking, preventing messy splatters and keeping your kitchen clean. The adjustable temperature control with a ready light takes the guesswork out of frying. Simply set the desired temperature, and the green ready light will let you know when the oil has reached the optimum heat for frying. This feature ensures perfectly fried food every time. This deep fryer is designed with user convenience in mind. The intuitive controls and clear instruction manual make it easy to assemble and use. The enamel-coated oil tank, cooking basket, and lid are all dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Hamilton Beach 35032 deep fryer delivers consistent and reliable frying results. The powerful heating element and adjustable temperature control ensure that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. Whether you're frying delicate fish fillets, hearty chicken wings, or crispy French fries, this fryer guarantees excellent results every time. The large oil capacity and powerful heating element make this fryer incredibly versatile. You can fry a wide range of foods, from appetizers to main dishes, without worrying about flavor transfer. The spacious basket allows you to fry large batches, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The Hamilton Beach 35032 deep fryer is designed to make frying at home as easy and enjoyable as possible. The cool touch handles, viewing window, and magnetic cord enhance safety and convenience, making this fryer a reliable choice for any home cook. The mess-free draining and easy-to-clean components add to its overall appeal. Considering its powerful performance, large capacity, and user-friendly features, the Hamilton Beach 35032 deep fryer offers excellent value for money. It brings the quality and efficiency of a professional fryer to your home kitchen, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys fried foods. The durable construction and dishwasher-safe components ensure it will last for years, providing great value over time. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 35032 professional-style electric deep fryer is a top-notch kitchen appliance that makes frying at home a joy. Its powerful heating element, Large capacity and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for home cooks. Whether you're preparing a family meal or hosting a gathering, this deep fryer ensures delicious, perfectly fried food every time. If you're looking to elevate your frying game with a reliable and efficient deep fryer, the Hamilton Beach 35032 is definitely worth considering. Its combination of performance, safety, and convenience makes it an excellent addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.